Assalamu alaikum, it's Pricila from New York. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. The point of today's video is to show you all what New York City looks like in the winter time. Almost everywhere it is guaranteed that New York will experience snowfall, and so you all can see that this whole entire area is mostly covered in snow. The snowfall began on Wednesday night and today is Sunday afternoon, so we have been seeing snow for almost 4 days. The snowfall has not been continuous, but at first the snowfall was extremely heavy with very high wind speeds and very low temperatures, and so the snow is still visible to us 4 days after it initially began. So initially after snowfall begins, what happens first is the roads are cleared. People need to go to work, people need to go to important places, and so roads are the first thing that is cleared so that public transportation can open again, etc., etc., and people can continue to go to work and support their families. New York City is one of the colder cities that experiences snow. Other states in the United States don't always experience snow. States like Florida mostly experience rainfall and colder temperatures, not necessarily snow every single year. States like New York City do experience snow because they are surrounded by water on, I believe, more than one side. Some years, New York City experiences heavier or lighter snowfall. This was definitely one of the heavier times because it's lasted for 4 days. But I hope this video was enjoyable to watch and maybe gave you all a deeper understanding on what New York looks like, at least in snowfall in the winter time. So make sure to help anybody in your community. If you have any extra jackets, extra warm clothes, please do donate it to the people in need in your community. We need to help each other, help one another, especially in these colder seasons, so that we can all stay warm and we can all stay safe. Thank you very, very much once again for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Assalamu alaikum.